I'm Stuart. Welcome to Learn Grammar with Stuart. Let's take a look at the key phrase. She is really, really happy. Let's break this down. So today's skill is expressing degree. There are many ways to express degree in English. We can say really, very, extremely. We can also say really 2 times when we want to give extra emphasis to something. Really, really sounds stronger and more casual than just really. Since it sounds more casual, it's common in conversation, but it's not common in writing. This structure can be used with both adjectives and adverbs. She is extremely happy. She is really, really happy. He ran extremely fast. He ran really, really fast. Here is the Japanese. Please pause if you'd like to read. Let's have a look at the structure. First, we start with a subject, she. Then we use the verb, is. Then we have our adverb, really, really, followed by the adjective, happy. She is really, really happy. Let's look at some examples. I am really, really bored. I really, really like him. I'm really, really hungry. This really, really hurts. It's a really, really long way. I really, really hate working Mondays. That's the end of today's lesson. If you'd like to practice the grammar point, please leave an example in the comments below. Bye.